results of the Maharashtra Legislative Council elections are out and it has thrown a major surprise, but not the kind that we all expected. Voting took place on 11 seats and 12 candidates were in fray, 9 from the Mahayuti and 3 from the MVA. Now, in what was the semi-final before the mega assembly elections due this year, the ruling alliance has trumped the opposition and exposed the chink in their armor. Mahayuti has won on all 9 seats that they contested upon, BJP winning from 5, Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCP winning on their 2 seats each. The Mahavikas Aghadi, or the MVA, was hoping for cross-voting, especially from MLAs belonging to the Shinde and Ajit Pawar camp. However, it turned out the MLAs of the Congress voted against their own alliance that resulted in the loss for the candidate backed by Sharad Pawar's NCP.
महायुति का जो काम है गुगली ने बैटिंग मजबूत हो गई और पूरे उनकी विकेट निकाल दी। हमने कहा था, विश्वास था कि पूरे 9 के 9 लोग हमारे जीतेंगे। कई लोगों ने उसमें कहा था, कुछ चैलेंज भी दिया था कि ये चमत्कार होगा, ये होगा। चमत्कार हुआ है, चमत्कार हुआ है। महायुति के जितने हमारे विधायक हैं उन्होंने तो वोट दिया ही, उनको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। लेकिन महायुति के काम पर, विकास पर अन्य पार्टी के लोगों ने भी हमें सपोर्ट किया।
आज हम सभी के लिए ये बहुत ही हर्ष की बात है कि हमारे मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथराव शिंदे जी के नेतृत्व में हमारी महायुति की 9 सीटें, 11 में से 9 सीटें विधान परिषद में चुनकर आई है। और जो लोग ये कह रहे थे कि हमारी सीटें गिराएंगे, उनके भी वोट हमारे उम्मीदवारों को मिले हैं। एक अप्रत्याशित इस प्रकार की जीत को मिली है और मेरा विश्वास है ये जीत का सिलसिला ऐसा ही जारी रहेगा।
5 विधायकों ने हमें सपोर्ट किया है, उनका मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं और धन्यवाद भी देना चाहता हूं और सबका अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। चुनाव जब रहता है तो एलिगेशन होते हैं, एलिगेशन के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता। अपना काम करने का, विकास करने का और विकास के रास्ते से आगे जाना।
Abhishek, my colleague, is joining us for more on this. Abhishek, just ahead of the MLC elections, there was a lot of resort and hotel politics, but that clearly didn't work for the opposition, with the ruling alliance really winning all of this, with Congress MLAs cross-voting in this polls just ahead of the state assembly elections.
Definitely, and as I always pointed out earlier also, because one of the candidates will lose, and of which alliance is something that was very much crucial. But now it has as a result of the final tally is out, definitely the Mahayuti, all the 9 candidates have emerged victorious. Sharad Pawar camp NCP supported candidate Jayant Patil has lost. And that's where now the Mahayuti is celebrating the victory and is also making a point that the false narrative being set by the opposition in Maharashtra is ended now. And this is just a trailer. We are very much confident for the massive victory in the upcoming assembly polls. And it is very much clear, as we were to point out that this is a litmus test, a semi-final. Clearly the semi-final has been won by the Mahayuti over here. And as far as the resort politics or the hotel politics is concerned, they have been successful in keeping their MLAs intact because there is no cross-voting from their camp. But the one party which should be blamed is the Congress. In fact, the Congress chief, Nana Patole, accepts the fact that there was cross-voting from his MLAs and he has identified them. He will appraise to the central leadership and immediate action will be taken. But definitely, this has to be seen as a loss to the Mahavikas Aghadi, because now the BJP is claiming a decent person who is working for the rights of farmer, Mr. Jayant Patil from Peasant Workers Party, couldn't make it to the Legislative Council because of the internal politics of Mahavikas Aghadi. These are the allegations being leveled by Mahayuti at this given point of time when they have emerged victorious with their 9 candidates.